Mostly body work, head work, uppercuts, different variation of punches. The very thing Tim said he didn't see in the last fight. You're seeing that from a young 17-year-old prospect in Abdullah Mason.
And then you see that left hand once again landing. The referee steps in, and Abdullah Mason looks impressive with a stoppage win here in the second round of his professional debut.
That's a bad boy. That is a bad young man.
It's hard to live up to the hype, Dre, but Abdullah Mason, even though he didn't get the full knockout, this type of stoppage.
The punch selection, he's throwing to the body, he's throwing to the head. You see that toughness and that meanness that when he got Phillips hurt, he didn't let up. And the main takeaway for me is the jab, but the body shot. Then nasty shots like that, overhand, straight left. He's just doing it all tonight against a solid opponent. And like Tim said, man, it's a bad man in Mason, and we're just going to see a lot more in the future.